Kidney disease isn't just an old person's problem anymore. It's getting younger and fast. Why? Too much processed food, high salt and sugar intake, energy drinks, uncontrolled diabetes and high blood pressure, obesity, lack of sleep, and even excessive gym supplements and painkiller use can damage the kidney over time. The scary part? Chronic kidney disease can stay silent for years before symptoms appear. Young people are now ending up on dialysis in their 20s, 30s, and 40s. So watch out for these warning signs. Foamy urine, swelling of face and feet, high blood pressure, fatigue, and changes in urination. Your kidney works 24/7 for you, so start protecting them now, not later. Hydrate, eat better, move your body, check your blood pressure and blood sugar level. Because kidney disease doesn't care about age anymore.